Well, wait up. I'm gonna go for a piss in my kingdom.
I'm just gonna need a... I mean, if I can have it a couple of squids. I got 160. Not 3.
Oh, you'll have to wait till Ness comes back because I have no change whatsoever.
I can go... We're gonna probably go over to the shop anyway and get bus money.
Yeah.
And just go in, get like... turn around, get a bit of gum or something.
Yeah, that's what we do. Buy the cheapest thing we can with a tenner. Saturday, go do it. Oh, it's gonna get icy tonight, boys, so be careful.
My mum's gonna be happy with the choice of stuff that I got. It's like I did the exact same way as well, how I got my cake. It was slashed ridiculously in price.
That's the way to do it, isn't
It
it?
was like 75 full and I got it for 26.
Oh, can't go wrong.
And that cake lasted me beforehand like 8
Wow.
years. He's not alone. Go for it. Bullet.
That joke.
Unload. Oh. Look, goes. Ah, ghost hand. Smash the button.
It's like she cut away his teeth.
Just try and avoid the car and off damage.
What is this, micro machines?
Yes. Does he manage to get any phases done yet?
Well,
He's got any phases done yet, or is he still first phase?
He's got one phase done.
He's waiting second phase, isn't he?
Yeah, you know, when the car keeps falling in.
Yeah.
Well, Lloyd, we're leaving at... We're aiming to leave roughly around 5:30.
Because we have to go to the shop to get bus fare and
Yeah, so...
Because buses are fucking shit on here. We're planning on getting something to eat in town.
So... What time do you think we'll be able to make it down the bay? Well, it's saying... Oh yeah, we can do 7. What do you think? 7 or half 7?
We'll probably do 7. Depends on how the traffic is.
Yeah.
We'll let you know if the traffic's bad.
Yeah.
It shouldn't be, but...
You never know.
I need to get this game.
you should.
Can show up enough bring his copy of it. That outfit going. I reckon if once we get all the outfits unlocked, we should like make it so that we don't do this game first. Assuming, you know, it gets bigger and should like donation incentive, what outfit you want ready for. Any outfit goes. Then you get some mental backs like, I'll donate 15 grand, you're having this outfit. Like, well, I've been out of it.
No!
Project enchant.
Well, if that's possible, like to unlock everything, then yeah.
Shall I get it for 7:30? Yeah.
Yeah, it's probably
Yes.
We still have half an hour till the film. We would more than likely guarantee you'd be there about what.
Yeah.
Well,
So yeah, 7:30 like.
We're probably gonna wait inside because it's gonna be cold about 7.
Really cold.
We'll either be in the Hollywood Bowl or
Having a shake. Oh.
more queuing out maybe. Trying to get in a bit early, probably.
Hey Lloyd, if you have it, useful tip, bring your student ID if you got any.
I don't, yeah. We might as well just all pay at the same time.
Oh yeah.
So much faster. Do like the group thing or whatever.
Oh yeah, group. I wonder if we do group promotions.
We-
Yeah, we should have it because
We wouldn't count as a group anyway though. We'd all count as student male, wouldn't we? I don't think that counts as a group.
Isn't that just like?
I don't think we're big enough for a group anyway. I think we need more than 5. I think we need like 6 or 7 for one. Oh,
I thought it was 4 or more. So that's why I works with bowling, 4 or more. You have group league. Right?
yeah, but cinema's not bowling. Although we have 4 of us. And the bowling alley is there.
Outfit. We ain't got any Deadpool stuff, I'm sorry.
I wish. Imagine if Juliet Starling could get a Deadpool outfit.
Shouldn't make every outfit
They
look
mean a
nice.
babe pool, you know, the pink version.
No. That's be red. Oh, why didn't they put a Riku Final Fantasy 10 outfit in? Or 10-2, you know.
How about a Bubbles outfit?
The Timmy Turner outfit. Every character she's ever played. Harley Quinn.
Alright,
Here we go, get ready on the B button as soon as you're done with the fingers.
Pay attention, Sharon.
Get ready on the B!
There you go.
X! A! B!
B. Backspin. B.
Go, 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 go!
He's showing his true form. And it is ugly.
The loading screen.
been on this since 10 o'clock.
Them wristbands though. About 1:30 really. Them wristbands though.
You might have to always be ready for quick time event.
So ass, don't drop your chainsaw.
I'm a farmer, laser blur! How? Incoming!
You gotta do all the sad music.
Where's it? Allahu Akbar!
It's gotta be sad music because he just killed himself though.
I miss you, Daddy! I'm not dead.
Talk about
Holy
blowing up-
moly!
Blowing your brains out, literally.
Well, that's confirmed the Squall theory is quite correct.
Squall's dead. I know he is.
Look at it.
No, you need the air horn. No.
MOG air horn.
Right.
Oh wow.
Aren't you glad you chose that outfit?
Aren't you glad you chose that outfit? Aren't you glad, Jans?
Levi!
She set the chainsaw on
Just
fire.
imagine if there was colour variants of these outfits, how much would they look like?
You'd go for black, wouldn't
I
you?
was gonna say black.
Black and white, yeah.
Yeah.
I knew that was coming a mile off.
Or purple.
Or purple. I like purple. Or pink. Or red. Or white. Well, I'm quite surprised they didn't put a nurse outfit in as well, though. Just saying.
She can nurse me anytime.
Or a bayonet throw over outfit.
Oh god. Just imagine strapping her with four big guns and like Juliet, not Juliet,
Strapping her, hey? Anything you say.
I'm inside the Leviathan.
About her.
Look at all these tentacles.
They're not tentacles.
Well, that's the
Oh my god, it's inside Jabba Jabba's belly! That thing tried to penetrate
ready?
her.
Keep going.
She looks so flexible. I got a view there.
He'd go for the clear colour. Oh.
Hey! Well, the natural camo colour.
How about transparent?
Just don't leave
That's
them
what I
on the
mean.
floor. I am not in it. So don't baby leave them all over the
I think I'm done. I think I'm done.
Not quite.
Not quite. I don't. I remember that you got to put. You got to replace the head.
Nick!
What is it? What is this for?
Yeah, the figured amulet.
Let's change it.
Yeah.
Let's change it.
Yeah, I think I'm
I
done.
have no idea how to do it. Probably gotta slide it in or out somewhere.
Sensei?
Oh, hang on.
This cooler has ended. Please try again later.
Ew. What have you honestly done that there?
You're right all along, Juliet. There's a reason I'm here. There's a plan greater than all of us. But it's time to say goodbye.
I have no idea. You can have to ask Money down.
What?
You need to go on Swan's body. It's the only way to stop him.
No. He said you'll die.
Trouble?
Juliet.
I'm already dead anyway.
I feel strong for the first time in my life. I feel lucky to have it on this journey with family. I feel like a zombie hunter.
James Gunn with his fourth wall breaking. It's not just Suda51 that does that, it's James Gunn also does it as well. I love you, baby! Sorry, but you're gonna have to die now, for the greater good. And you don't think twice. It's just like, the raft was so big enough for Jack and Rose to fit on, yet Rose pretty much says, "I never let go," and the bitch lets
all
go.
they had to do was tie the life jacket around it, right? They would have enough flotation for both of them to fit on it perfectly.
I love you so much.
And do you know what I would have said? Just to be trolls, like, "You're fucked, bro. Bye." Or pinned a note to his head saying, "You've been trolled."
Yeah, I'm done.
Tactical nuke incoming!
Tactical nuke!
So yeah, we're spot on with the estimate, huh? Oh, take the day.
There's a...
Oh,
I don't care. It's because that continue.
Oh.
-1.
We still got an A for it. I think it was the completion time.
Now it all depends on what ending I got.